Have you ever dreamed of exploring a picturesque village where time seems to stand still? With Giethoorn 2024 Dutch Venice Boat Tour and Village Experience, that dream becomes a reality. We at White Tulip Hostel Amsterdam know that true Dutch beauty lies beyond the bustling streets of Amsterdam. That's why we highly recommend a visit to Giethoorn, a village often called the Venice of the North. As experts in offering unforgettable Dutch experiences, we believe this serene water village will leave you enchanted. Imagine gliding silently along narrow canals, under charming arch bridges, with traditional thatched roof houses lining your route. The tranquility is soul-soothing, and the scenery, breathtaking. Join us on this boat tour where you can sit back and immerse yourself in the sights and sounds of a world untouched by modern hustle. Giethoorn isn't just about boat tours. Once you step ashore, you'll discover quaint village paths perfect for a leisurely stroll or a bike ride. Local museums bring history to life, and cozy cafes offer delightful Dutch treats. It's a slice of the Netherlands you simply must experience. Feeling adventurous? Rent a whisper boat and be your own captain for the day. No noise, no pollution, just you and the beauty of Giethoorn. Prices are friendly too, starting from just €15 per hour. Planning your trip is easy, we've got all the information you need easily accessible. Whether you're staying at our hostel or visiting from afar, embarking on the Giethoorn Dutch Venice Boat Tour and Village Experience is straightforward and hassle-free. Why settle for the ordinary when the extraordinary is just a boat ride away? Click the link in the description to book your unforgettable journey through Giethoorn. Because magical moments are just around the canal.